Product specials are a great tool to incentivize customers to make larger and more frequent purchases. They allow you to offer special prices for products based on happy days or hours, and when the quantity of an item hits a certain amount. If you want to set up a special for a certain product, you'll need to navigate to Inventory, Product List, click on the desired item, and select the Specials tab. Here you'll see the option to select Happy Day Period, Happy Day Weekdays, Happy Hours, and till total quantity falls to. The Happy Day Period option allows you to set a date range within which the special price will be active. Under the Specials section of the page, you can set up prices for recreational and medical customers. Given that you have the setting up prices per customer type setting enabled, simply enable the checkbox next to the product quantity to which you want to apply the special pricing and specify the new price. And click on Save when you're done. You'll notice that this product will be under a special price during the specified period. If you have the Allow Setting Up Prices Per Office setting enabled, you must keep in mind that the specials you set here are applied only to default prices. Switching to Happy Day Weekdays will display all 7 days of the week with the ability to enable or disable them as happy days. By default, all of them are selected. And deselect the rest. Specify the desired prices and click on Save. You'll notice that the special price is automatically applied on the selected days. Switching to Happy Hours section allows you to specify periods of time throughout the day when the special price will be active. More than one period of time can be added by clicking on the green plus button next to the time selector. You may also remove them by clicking on the red trash bin icon. Specify your prices and click Save. You'll notice that the special prices are applied only during the selected time period. The Till Total Quantity Falls to section allows you to specify the item number threshold that will disable the special automatically. So if we write 5 into the corresponding field, the special will stop working automatically when the total quantity of the product reaches 5 units. Set your prices and click on Save. You'll notice that the special prices are applied precisely till the point when your threshold is reached. Specials can be set up from the POS. In a similar manner, all the same conditions and features would be available under the Specials tab in the product profile. If multiple specials with different prices are available at the same time, the system will automatically select the one with the lowest price. Keep in mind that the specials are set up on a product-by-product basis. If you'd like to set up a deal for a whole category or products of the same brand, refer to the discount section on IndicaOnline web and check our tutorial video to learn more about them. A product that is currently on special will be marked as such in the cart and on the Sweetie menu. You may also check the current special and how it affects taxation by navigating to the product profile, totals and prices section, and hovering the mouse over the special price in orange.